Good morning, all. Today we'll be discussing about the success keys to implement a CRM software in an organization. So, in the previous class, we learned about what are the difficulties an organization will be facing while implementing a CRM system to that organization. And today we are going to see how successfully they can implement that in that organization. The first thing is executive sponsorship. Now, executive sponsorship means that each and every individual in the organization, each and every executive in the organization should be having a thought in their mind that this is for their growth. This step is taken forward for the growth of the organization and in a way the growth of the executives in that organization. So each and every person in the organization should be positively adhering with the new implementation. Second is the commitment of the project team. Now, which is a project team? A project team is the team which is working out on developing the new software for the organization, new CRM software. They should be positively committed towards the organization. Third is to have an efficient and effective project manager. So, the knowledge of the project manager is something which positively and also can negatively affect the organization. If the project manager is not having knowledge on what is happening in the organization, how the software should work in the organization, then it will be negatively affecting the developed software. So, while selecting the project manager, the organization needs to be careful with the level of knowledge he has. Then the planning and business process analysis. So here two things are there: planning and analyzing the business processes. So before starting the project work, before starting the development of the software, the organization should properly plan on each stages, each levels. And whenever each levels are being achieved or each levels are being completed, they should go for analyzing the effectiveness and efficiency of the process which is completed. Then facilitation probably means when the organization or the project management team needs some support from the organization should facilitate that support to them. Then define what success is, that is what is the outcome of this. അത് നേരെ ഓരോ എംപ്ലോയിക്കും ഓരോ സ്റ്റാഫിനും പറഞ്ഞ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി കൊടുക്കുക. Then phased approach, that is again the same thing, ഓരോ phases complete ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും a proper review should be carried out. Then comes keeping it simple, which means that the organization should not complicate things. കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യരുത്. Define things in a simple manner to the staff and the team. And the last thing is training the employees, training the staff, training the workers, training the project management team, and each and every person who is associated with them. These are the keys to successfully implement a CRM system in an organization.